Hello students, welcome to Business Studies class. We are again back with certain case studies from the chapter Financial Management. As you know, in order to solve these case study questions, we need to follow certain steps. So let's recapitalize those steps once again. The step number 1, to read the question and identify what is being asked in it. The step number 2, to read the case and identify the key lines. And step number 3, correlate the key lines to the topic. So once it is done, then we are sure that we are able to get the accurate answer. Now, let's start discussing the case one by one. So whenever case comes, the very first thing is to identify what is the question. So this is the thing that should come first of all. What is the question? So the question is, which objective of financial management has been referred here? Explain. So we know that financial management aims at maximizing the wealth of shareholders and making profit for the firm. But we will see what case is referring. So in order to do that, now we will start reading the case. That is the step 2. So we'll start with REI Agro Food Limited is a famous multinational company. Mr. S.K. Nagi is its finance manager, and he is making effort to increase the market value of capital invested by equity shareholders. He is already knew it could be possible only when the prices of shares increases, and the prices of shares increases only if financing, investment and dividend decisions are taken optimally. He did the same and achieved success. So after reading it, we come to know there are certain key lines. The very first key line is he is making effort to increase the market value of capital invested by the equity shareholder. It indicates about maximizing wealth of shareholder. And another key line is, and he already knew it could be possible only when the prices of shares increases and price of shares increases. So these two lines talked about, yes, this the answer is maximizing the wealth of equity share. So how easy if we are able to, if we are going to follow these steps, so it's quite easy for you to come to the conclusion. Now let's take another case. Now in this case study, again, we'll search for the question first, and the question is, which source of debt, option A or option B, is better? It means in this question, they have given us two options, option A or option B. So we have to analyze these two options in order to come to conclusion that why and how you decided that that particular option is better. And the second part of the question is, give reason support of your answer. Also state the concept being used in taking the decision. So we have to answer three things in this. Number one, we have to compare option A and B, and we have to find out which option is better. Number two, we have to reason for choosing any particular option. And number three, there is a one concept that talks about it. So we have to answer these three questions. Now we'll start reading the case. The return on investment, ROI, which is also known as ROI of a company, ranges between 10 to 12% for the past 3 years. To finance its future fixed capital need, it has following option for borrowing debt, option A, at the rate of 9%, and option B, rate of interest at the rate of 13%. Now student, you can see that they have two options of borrowing. In option A, they are borrowing, and the source from where they are borrowing, they are charging interest at the rate of 9%. And he is going to invest this amount that he will raise from this source into some investment which will generate 10 to 12%. So 9% is less than 10 to 12%. It means there is some profit margin. In option B, the rate of interest is 13%. which means that you will borrow at the rate of 13%, and by investing that borrowed amount into the project, you are going to get only 12%. It means that will be not a profitable solution. So option A, rate of interest 9% is better as it is lesser than ROI, which ranges between 10 to 12%. So the first part of the question they asked about which option is better. So obviously option A is better. And the second part of the question, and the reason was, second question was reason. The reason is rate of interest is lesser than ROI. ROI matlab return on investment. So when you are investing money into any project, so the difference between rate of interest and ROI should be maximum. If this difference come maximum, it means that project is profitable. And the concept being used in taking the decision in trading on equity under capital structure. So the concept is trading on equity. That talks about this concept. Let's talk about one more case. Again, question comes, name the different kinds of financial decision taken by PVR Limited by quoting lines from para. So they have asked about different kind of financial decision. So student, before start reading the question, you should confine your answer to the financial decision. How many financial decisions are financial managers are supposed to take? So basically there are three decisions: financing decision, dividend decision, and investment decision. So they have to check which one they are talking about, and we need to identify those lines also, which is telling us the answer. Do you think, the second question is, do you think the financial management team of company has been able to achieve its prime objective? Why or why not? So these are the two questions that we are going to study. So in this, we'll start reading the case. PVR is a renowned multiplex operator in India. Its own 254 screens in 52 properties at 24 locations in the country. Considering the fact is more growing trend among the people to spend more of their disposable income on entertainment, company plan to add more screen at existing locations and start at new location also. They also plan to add food chain also at the locations. Company plan to float equity shares in market to raise desired capital. The issue was fully subscribed and paid. Over the year, the sale and the profit of the company have increased tremendously, and it has been declaring high dividend, and the market price of its share has increased many-fold. So we have to answer which decision they are talking about. So one is investing, other one is financing, third one is dividend. So let's find out the key line where they are indicating this. Now see, the first line, company plan to add more screens at existing location and start new location also. They also plan to add food chain to their location. So this line is indicating about so this line food chain, they also plan to add food chains, right? And company plan to add more screens. So do you think which decision they are talking about? So they are planning of investing money in screens and in the food chain. So this line is indicating about investment decision. Investment decisions. The company planned to float equity shares in the market to raise the desired capital. Now they wanted to float equity shares. That is a source of fund from where they do arrange the fund. This line indicates financing. And the issue was fully subscribed, and over the year, the sales and the profit of the company have increased tremendously, and it has been declaring high dividend. So here they have talked about the next concept, and the market price of shares has increased many-fold. So we'll come to the answer. The different kind of financial decision taken by the companies are investment decision, और वो कहाँ से पता चलता है? Company plan to add more screens. Financing decision, the company plan to float equity shares in the market. And dividend decision कैसे पता चला? It has been declaring high dividend. And the second part of the question was, do you think the financial management team of the company has been able to achieve its prime objective? Why or why not? So yes, as the price of its share has increased manifold, the prime objective of financial management is maximizing the wealth of equity share has been achieved. So in this way, we are able to answer our question in the concrete manner. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to the next case. Now this is a quite lengthy case study, but we shouldn't lose our heart because we are supposed to follow the steps, and the very step is to find out what is being asked in it. So this is the question. Identify the financial concept discussed in above para. Also state any two importance of financial concepts to identify. So dear students, if you have studied financial management, you come to know that importance. आपने importance इस chapter में किस किस topic की पढ़ी है? आपने importance पढ़ी है financial planning की, और इसके अलावा आपने कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं पढ़ी है. इसका मतलब ये सेकेंड लाइन ही हमें इंडिकेट कर देती है कि फाइनेंशियल पार्ट है और उसमें भी हमसे इम्पोर्टेंस पूछी है. इसका मतलब समवेयर दे आर दिस केस इज ऑल अबाउट फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. राइट, नाउ विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग दिस केस एंड कम टू द conclusion whether our guesswork is correct or not. Right, Ramnath Limited is dealing in import of organic food items in bulk. Company sells the item in a smaller quantity in attractive packages. Performance of the company has been up to the expectations in the past. Keeping up with the latest packaging technology, company decided to upgrade its machinery. For this, finance manager of the company, Mr. Vikrant Dhul, estimated the amount of funds required and the timing. This will help the company in linking the investment and financing decision on continuous basis. Therefore, Mr. Vikrant Dhul began with the preparation of sales forecast for the next 4 years. He also collected the relevant data about profit estimates in the coming year. By doing this, he wanted to be sure about the availability of funds from the internal sources. For the remaining fund, he is trying to find out alternative sources. So there are so many hints in the paragraph that tells about which concept we are guessing it is true. The very first thing, company decided to upgrade its machinery. So there is a purpose, and for this, they have estimated the amount of fund required and the timing. So making estimates about coming time, and this estimation is all about funds, how much funds are required and at what time is required. So this is also indicating about our guesswork. Then company helped the company in linking the investment and financing decision on a continuous basis. So, and it helps in the preparation of sale cost for the next 4 years, right? Sale forecast is the first steps of financial planning. So in order to decide the amount of fund and timing, the first thing we should have to do is the sale forecast. So availability of fund from the internal sources, and for the remaining fund, he is trying to find out alternative sources. So all these are the key lines that guide us that yes, we are on the right line. They are talking about financial planning. And there is a long list of financial planning importance. You have to write any two. It helps in forecasting what may happen in future under different business situations. It helps in avoiding business shocks and surprises and helps the company in preparing for the future. If it helps in coordinating various business functions, detailed plans of action prepared under financial planning reduce wastage, duplication of efforts, and gaps in planning. It tried to link the present with future. It provide a link between investment and financing decision on a continuous basis, which is one of the key line of the paragraph was. So all these are the way in which we can identify how to solve our case study questions in a less time and with more confidence. I hope this topic is clear to you and the cases too. Thank you, student.